Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development course Beginners to Experts. In this lecture, we will see how navigation works and how we can create navigation manuals in our store. Here you see we are on navigation on the left side and the online store. In the navigation on the right side, you will see footer menu and main menu. In the main menu, first of all, we'll click on it. Here is the main menu title, and here add menu item. From here just click on in link and then home page. Here the first menu has been created. Click on add and then add menu, and then we will, after home, we would like to create all collections, and here all collections, right? And then we'll select from here pages, about us, and then we'll look contact us in the pages. And now we click on save menus. Okay, our main menu open created. And now we click on footer menu, and here we will select policies, privacy policy, in that very the policy is refund policy, and the policies we will select shipping policy, and then select terms and conditions, terms and services, right? So we can instead of this, we can also, if the default policy page is not created, you can just simply go to the pages we have created and from there and select these privacy policy pages and default policy pages. Like this and pause. Okay. Conditions of these menus are creating for footer menu, and I think here we have contact us at the default. You can also put this up here. Click on save menu, or you can just delete this from here. So up here, now you can see the menu that has been created and how these menus work on the store. We will see it in the next lecture of theme customization, in which we will be setting up customizing a theme for our store. So keep in touch for next video, next lecture. Thanks. Take care. Bye bye.